Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll tell you how you can do this AI baby filter trend on TikTok. So let's start with the video. To do this trend, you need to download Remini application from Play or App Store. After downloading, open the application. Now click on Get Started, and then click Next. Cancel this page. Now click Give access to photos. Now click on AI photos option given below. Now slide up and get started. Choose your gender and upload your 8 selfies from your gallery. After uploading your photos, click on Continue. Now select a baby model image from here and continue. Now click on Use this model image and cancel the subscription page. If you are using iPhone, it will start generating your photos, and for Android users, it's not working for us. I don't know why they have made free for iPhone user and not for the Android users. So to make this work, we have to take 3-day trial subscription. If you want to generate your photos, you can take this 3-day trial subscription, and after getting your photos, you can cancel the subscription. This way you won't be charged anything. I'm not taking this subscription, but I'll tell you what you have to do after getting your photos from here. So you can make your video on TikTok. So after getting your photos from here, open TikTok. Now go to search option and search baby filter or AI baby prediction. Now here you will find videos of the same trend. Click on any one of the video and then click on try this template option above the username. Now click on use template in CapCut and then click on use template and add your photos from gallery. And after that, export and your video will be ready to share. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.